Before your child turns 18, there are some things they should understand about money. Not because money is everything, but because poor money decisions can make life much harder. And here is the uncomfortable truth. Your child may learn how to pass an exam in school, but nobody may teach them how to manage the money they earn after graduation. So if you are a parent, grandparent, or guardian, listen carefully. Here are 7 money lessons your child needs before they turn 18. Number 1, teach them that money is earned, not just given. When children receive money every time they ask, they can easily develop the idea that money simply appears when they need it. Teach them differently. Let them understand that money represents time, effort, skill, and value. If they receive an allowance, don't just hand it over without teaching them how to manage it. This money came from work. Learn to respect it because someone spent time earning it. That simple lesson can change how they see money for the rest of their lives. Number 2, teach them the difference between I want it and I need it. This is one of the most important financial lessons a child can learn. A child sees an expensive phone and says, I want it. That doesn't mean they need it. Teach them to pause before buying. Because adulthood will constantly put attractive things in front of them. New clothes, new phones, restaurants, cars, trips. If they never learn to control their wants, their income will never feel like enough. Teach them to save before they spend. Don't wait until your child gets their first salary before teaching them how to save. Start small. If they receive $100, they don't have to spend the entire $100. Teach them to put something aside first. It could be 10%, it could be more. The amount matters less than the habit. Because the goal is to teach them this principle: I don't spend everything I receive. A child who learns this early has already developed a financial advantage before entering adulthood. Number 4, teach them that looking rich is not the same as being wealthy. This lesson is extremely important in today's world. Social media can make people believe that wealth means designer clothes, expensive phones, luxury cars, and expensive vacations. Teach your children that appearance is not proof of financial success. Someone can look wealthy and be deeply in debt. Another person can live quietly, invest consistently, own valuable assets, and never show it online. Tell your child, don't spend money trying to convince people that you have money. Real wealth doesn't need an audience. Number 5, teach them to be careful with debt. Before your child becomes an adult, they should understand that borrowed money is not free money. If you borrow money, you usually have to pay it back, and sometimes with extra costs. Teach them to ask questions before borrowing. Why am I borrowing this money? Can I afford to repay it? Is this debt helping me build something, or is it helping me buy something I simply want? Understanding this before adulthood can save them from years of unnecessary financial pressure. Number 6, teach them to make money, not just spend it. Your child should not grow up thinking the only way to get money is to ask someone for it. Encourage them to develop useful skills. Maybe they can learn graphic design, coding, writing, video editing, photography, tutoring, cooking, or another valuable skill. The specific skill can change. The principle doesn't. Learn something valuable enough that people are willing to pay you for it. Because in adulthood, your ability to create value can become one of your greatest financial assets. Teach them that money needs a purpose. Number 7, Finally, teach your children that money should have a job. Some money can be used for needs, some can be saved, some can be invested, some can be used for enjoyment, and some can be given to help others. The important thing is that they learn to make decisions with their money instead of allowing their money to make decisions for them. Because when your child turns 18, you may no longer be able to control every financial decision they make. But you can give them the financial mindset they will carry into adulthood. Parents, remember this. You are not preparing your child only to make money. You are preparing them to manage money. A child who earns $1,000 but doesn't know how to manage it can still struggle. But a child who learns discipline, saving, wise spending, patience, and financial responsibility has something much more valuable than money. So don't wait until your child gets their first paycheck. Start teaching them now. Because the financial habits you teach them at 10, 12, 15, or 17 may influence the financial decisions they make at 20, 30, and beyond. Teach the child before the world teaches them the expensive way. Parents, you are not just raising a child, you are preparing an adult. The money habits you teach today can influence the financial decisions they make tomorrow. So start early. Teach them to earn, save, spend wisely, avoid unnecessary debt, and give every dollar a purpose. Yes. And if you want to take your own financial journey to the next level, step by step, watch the full lesson on my YouTube channel, Grandma's Wealth Academy.